Hello viewers, if you know how options work, then you can start to predict where stock prices are most likely to move to in the current market sentiment, plus or minus, which I can tell you becomes massively useful for your trading for many types of strategies. And I've built a tool that can speed up that whole process. I want to take you through what that secret options hack is and basically walk you through the tool so you can do it in your own trading as well. So let's get into it. So here's my calculator. I'll explain that in a bit, but before we do get into that, I want to explain the idea behind this. What is that secret hack? Well, it's all about the at the money straddle strategies in options. If you can understand that, then you can start to predict where the market or whatever stock you're looking at is likely to move plus minus within a specific time horizon. So for example, you can see on the screen now I've got Alibaba there, 10 days to expiry for that set of options. You can see you put together the call and the put, work out the premium, and quite simply that premium gets divided by the stock price to give you the expected move in dollars. You can see there is $6.60 or plus minus 5.24%. So if you know that, it's really useful for many strategies. For example, earnings. Is there a big expected earnings move coming up, or is your stock even worth trading over the next short term? Has it got enough momentum to give you what you want? Or when you're putting options strategies together, you can use that range of expected move to dial in on strikes that you might be putting in combination together in a certain strategy setup. I also use it for my Renko trading as well on the stocks and the options. I'm going to do a subsequent video to this all around how I use it to come up with the block size now for Renko charts trading these type of stocks. So many uses for it, but that's basically the secret behind it. You're taking the at the money straddle price for the time horizon, the expiry horizon that you want, and then basically take the premium, get that divided into by the stock price, and then you get the expected move in plus minus type of range. So getting back into the tool, I built this really quickly. You can do it yourself in Excel or build it yourself in Python. This is what this one's building. It took me hardly any time at all to put together, and let's take you through it quickly. Any stock, so it goes to why it's called the alpaca strategies. I'm using alpaca as the data feed in there. It's free to use. You just need an account, sign up to it, and then I've downloaded every stock I could ever think of. So I'm not like hunting around to find the premiums, add them together, go into my broker. Don't need to. It's all in here. So take another example. Let's spin the wheel all the way through. I don't know. Blink charging. Let's have a look at them. 10 days. Expected move 0.21 cents. 35% move in the price. So small stock, maybe not the greatest example to use, but in 10 days it's expected to move quite a lot in either direction, mind. So please be aware that that's not just saying it's going up, it could go down that way as well. So again, straddle, just trading the straddles as well. If you can afford them, they'll be expensive, but it's another way of maybe coming up with an earnings strategy as well. But basically you can pick, like I said, any stock. Alcoa, let's do Alcoa in there in the mix. Next 10 days, likely to move about $5.50, about 10%. And you can change the time horizon as you like. So let's do 30 days for Alcoa. And Alcoa could move from its current price of 56.26. The at money strikes at 56. Could move nearly $10 in either direction over the next 30 days. Actual closest expiry is 32 days, so I'll put that into the calculator as well. But that's just a really quick way of coming up with the expected move that the market, the options trading market's thinking that these stocks are aiming for in that time horizon, like I said, for potential moves up or down. I think you'll agree, a nifty little tool to have under your belt for stock price movement prediction based on market options sentiment around the at the money straddle strategy. Like we saw, the equation very simple. You just need that at the money straddle premium, and that gets divided by the stock price. Once you've got that, you've got the plus minus move over whatever time horizon expiry you want to set up. Very simple to build in Excel, or like we saw in Python, where you can then add hundreds and hundreds of stocks to save you massive amounts of time and effort hunting around brokers, adding premiums together. And if you want to learn how to do that in Python, got you covered. 2 courses, Mastering Python for Trading and the Renko Bot Build course, both available on the TheStopHunter. I'll put links to those in the description below this. Currently the Renko Bot Build course on sale till the end of the month, and the package, the bundle of the 2, the Mastering Python for Trading and the Renko Bot Build, also on sale till the end of the month. So check those out. And as a bonus, I'll chuck this code in to those my GitHub repository there, if you want to get your hands on the code anyway and run it. And as a thank you for purchasing either one of those or the bundle courses. And if you want to learn options trading, you want to learn why the straddle strategy works like it does and other options trading strategies, I've got my new masterclass coming out soon, Trading Options for a Living, and a book around the same title, also coming out in May. Links again in the description below this video if you want to find out more there. We've got some limited bundle offers there, tickets going fast at the moment, so check that out. So hope you've enjoyed the video, found it useful. Very quick, simple tool that you could have on your desk to help you with lots of your strategies. And like I said, I'm going to do a subsequent video on how I block size using this approach as well. So it's a novel new concept that I've been working on. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons. Plenty more content coming your way. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.